Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Double F Farms Garden Mulch. Double F Farms, we strive for 100% customer satisfaction. Our premium organic 100% natural wheat straw comes from local farms that we have partnered with. By sourcing our products from local farms, we are supporting small local businesses. Each package is filled with a slab of compressed wheat straw. Wheat straw may be used for bedding, building nests, and providing cushioning for small and large animals. Straw is one of the best mulch materials to use around vegetable plants because it is organic. The garden will not have to be watered as often when using straw mulch because it holds the moisture in the ground. Straw mulch also composts into nutrients and amendments for the soil. Our second best mulch for garden is fiber dust cocoa mulch. FD Cocoa Mulch is a 5 kilograms, compressed mulch block. Manufactured by crushing coconut husks, cocoa mulch has many benefits over bark mulch. Unlike bark, cocoa mulch does not float and thus can be used on slop surfaces. Because of coconut's high lignin content, FD Cocoa Mulch will outlast bark mulch, giving you up to 3 years of mulching benefits without refreshing. After hydrated with 4 gallons of water, each block expands to about 2 cubic feet of mulching medium. With a rust-like look, FD Cocoa Mulch will bring color into your landscape and is perfect for any mulching job. Does not attract insects and is not harmful to pets. Warning, not for consumption. This is not the same as cocoa nut husk, this is coconut husk mulch. Please make sure your pet does not eat unexpanded mulch since this can expand when water is added. Third pick in our list is Easy Seeding Mulch. The Easy Straw Seeding Mulch Bale from Rhino Seed will keep your grass looking good as new, even over time. Easy Straw Mulch is the perfect add-on solution for planting grass seeds. This bale contains processed wheat straw and tackifier, a natural powder used in hydroseeding that sticks together when wet. The bonding agent speeds up grass seeds germination and requires less watering to maintain. Twice cut and processed, the application is made easy. Leaving no mess, you won't have to worry about an afternoon of cleanup. The UV-protected plastic container allows for storage outside. An easy-to-handle package works great for small or large areas. This secure bale is safe for your garden and around pets and children. For every 5 to 7 pounds of grass seed sold, use 2 bales of Easy Straw Mulch. This bale contains 1 cubic foot of straw, for up to 200 square feet of coverage. Your soil and grass will be enriched to perfection and protected from the elements with this seeding mulch bale from Rhino Seed. Number 4 in our side is Pine Bark Mulch. Pine Bark Mulch, 100% natural pine bark mulch, houseplant cover mulch, potting media, and more chunky pine bark mulch. 100% natural mulch in a resealable zipper bag. Pine bark mulch is used to landscape homes, cover houseplants' dirt for a more attractive presentation, shade the roots of grapevines, and much more. Please research your type of orchid and compare the bark to the type of orchid, and plan according to research. It is widely disputed if this type of untreated pine bark can be used for such a task. Many growers claim years of success and luck with such a bark, while others claim the untreated nature of this bark may lead to unfavorable results. Number 5 in our top 5 best mulch for garden list is PlaySafer Rubber Mulch. PlaySafer Rubber Mulch is an exceptional playground protection surface, as it provides unmatched shock absorbency and greatly reduces the incidence of playground injuries. Unlike other loose fill surfaces, PlaySafer Rubber Mulch nuggets require minimal maintenance, dry quickly after rain, and will not decompose. Its exceptional longevity makes PlaySafer Rubber Mulch for play areas and playgrounds a very cost-effective option. Rubber mulch is an environment-friendly safety surface, manufactured from recycled passenger vehicle tires. Rubber mulch provides one of the safest and best surfaces for a wide variety of applications, from children's playground surfacing to rock wall and obstacle course impact surfacing. When properly installed, rubber mulch meets the guidelines set forth by the Consumer Product Safety Commission, the American Standard for Testing Materials, ADA, and the International Playground Equipment Manufacturers Association. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.